Good morning, students. Today I will tell you about democracy. Yes, last day I told you about the types of government, and I also told you that our country is a democratic form of government. To know that, first of all, we should know what is democracy. Yes, democracy is a system of government by the whole population or all the eligible members of a state, typically elected representatives. Yes, if you see the history, then you can see that some of the earliest instances of democratic system of governments were found in ancient India. The king was elected by the people and he was advised by the Sabha. Sabha means a council of important chieftain of the tribes, and the Samiti, that is gathering of all the men of the tribe. Now we will see the democracy stands for the following principles, means different principles are there in a democracy, that one by one we will see. First point is people are powerful, they elect their government. Yes, in democracy people elect their own government and elections are held at the periodic intervals. In India it holds after every 5 years, but in between these 5 years, if any emergency will happen, then within before 5 years also the election could be held. Next, people vote on the basis of universal adult franchise. Yes, universal adult franchise means 18 or above 18 years old people can elect their government, means they can give the vote. More than one political party contest election. In India, we have seen that many political parties are there, and from there we can choose our own government. Next, citizens get rights that are protected by the state. Equality is the basis of democracy. Yes, in our democracy, it is a very important thing that equality. We all are equal. Here, no rich, no poor would be judged, or no religious matter we are judging. We all are equal. We are having our own rights. All are having equal rights to do their own work, etc. Next come, government is run according to laws, most preferably in accordance with a written constitution. Next come, protection is provided to the marginalized. Marginalized means those who are backward, they are giving some special facilities for their upliftment. Next come, safeguards in the constitution promote the interest of the minorities. And the last is there is a division of power between legislative, executive and the judiciary. Three important powers in our country. All these we will see next day. Thank you.